Okay guys, so right now we're here at Choco Latte de Batero. Kumbaga, ito raw yung isa sa parang sikat here in na parang dessert, no? Resto. At the same time, syempre yung hot choco nila, no? Malamang isa to sa mga must try. So, with me, because we are fall in line. First naman kami sa small group. Yan. It's too cold, it's too rainy out there. We are here in the room. Ayan. So, si Madam, si Achidi is there. Mamaya, may dumadaan. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Big.
Gaano mo na lang kami?
See them? Yan. Okay. So, kami na. Lisa. Yeah. Yeah, ayan. 4-4. Kami na. So, we're on our way to our table. So, tingnan natin what's in it for us here. Right? Okay, plenty of people around. Can you see? Over there, puno rin. Okay guys, finally decided dahil we're still full, kakatapos na namin kumain, but we really need to take this before we go home. So ako personally, take it light. Yan, dumating. So what I decided to take my palabok. This is one of my favorite, all-time favorite. Si Achi is what? Champurrado. Ayan, si Madam naman is also
Champurrado
with her favorite tuyo. Yan. And then the handsome guy is also
Champurrado.
guys, yan, isa mga main ano nila, no, itong bibingka, no? Diba? Yan, tapos may hot choco pa parating. So, tingnan natin, no? Let's update namin kayo. It's really powerful. Yan, ito yung hot choco nila, traditional.
Yes.
Hot choco. Tama ba, miss? Hi ka.
Yes, sir. Traditional blend.
Yeah, talaga nagsalita ko siya. Mabait ng mga tao dito. So, enjoy namin tong gabing ito. Bye. Alright guys, everyone is busog. And busog. Busog. We didn't know that the serving is big here. So, nalula kami. If you wanna taste like, gonna go traditional, hot choco, and champurrado na may kasamang tuyo, you know, this is the place to be. The palabok is also good, you know, as a normal palabok taste talaga naman. So far matitikman nyo dito sa place na to, it's the traditional ones. Yung choco niya is like dark choco, huh? Dark choco, right? Ayun. Tapos yung champurrado ganun din. It's not the one you're expecting from bag of beans, no? It's not, no? It's like, ito talaga, it's the real authentic hot choco, yung cacao. So guys, it's been a day we spent a lot outside. Well, it's also raining hard, pero ang sarap lang, you know? Ang sarap ng food experience dito. Not the normal thing you could experience in Manila. Kaya nina-maximize na rin namin. And guys, as we end